What's the temp in here? It seems really hot.
I don't know. I'm sweating.
AC's on and it's hot. Like a lot of people take water for granted when they don't live on a boat. Not that it makes us like conserve water per se, but you really get an idea how much you use. Yesterday I found my filter. This is our old one. It's supposed to be good for, I don't know, it's like 3 months. So 3 months, 90 days, whatever. And I usually write it on there. So we've been using this one for 8 because I knew I had another one. I just couldn't find it. Small boat storage problems. That's the boat life. I'll be right back. Gotta get a new hose. Yep, that's pretty standard. I think I'm gonna need a longer hose. It'll do for now. Now we wait. Fill up the water tank, no big deal. Our water tank is 35 gallon. Here in the marina, lasts us probably 2 weeks. Depending on how often we use the bathroom, because here in the marina we actually use our fresh water to flush it, reduces the odor instead of using raw water, which would be the seawater from the marina, and you get kind of a funky smell sometimes. This is one of my favorite little gadgets also. This is my hose, I don't know what you call it, the thing that, you know, the squirty handle. This is it right here. You just adjust it by spinning. What? That shit's crazy. Okay, it seriously is unbearably hot. I think it's like 91 in the boat right now, and since basically we sit in there and do computer work, it's just hot, and we have an air conditioner. It's just not keeping up. So I got a little surprise for Melissa. Yahtzee! I think she's really gonna like this. I'm not gonna lie, of course I get a little benefit out of it being nice and cool in the boat, but I just wanted to make Melissa happy because it is just exhausting. It's difficult to sleep, it's difficult to work, it's difficult to think, and it's difficult to be in a good mood on video. And that's what it's all about. There's no way this box is going on the boat, so I'm gonna open this right here in the parking lot. Now I know you might be thinking, why didn't you just repair the unit that you have on the boat? Or why didn't you get one of those little air conditioning units that goes in a window? I've thought about all of these things, and our boat doesn't really have a hatch that is appropriate for the window type unit, and we don't really have the space to vent it otherwise. So we're gonna try this guy, because we used to have an air purifier on the boat, similar size. I think we can work around it. We're gonna see what happens. But also, the marine unit that we have is like 10 years old. It's just not keeping up. To replace that or to repair it would be 2 to 10 times the cost of this unit. So we're gonna do this, and the intention is that when we go, we may or may not take this with us, but to get us through the 2 months here in the sweltering heat so we can actually make more videos every day for YouTube, I got this unit. of the reasons I got motivated to make this, or to put this on, was because I saw all the ingenious ways everybody else is doing this. But then my boat neighbor just said, hey, why don't you come on my boat and I'll show you how I did mine. But, so that one vent on the back, so through and then
a little bit I stuck out the window about before, because the bilge is dry.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is the forward shower sump, and I got another shower sump back there.
Hi, Sandy Toes.
Sandy toes.
She's like, what is that? It's a dead cat. That's what they call it. Alright, watch out. That was good. I'm feeling optimistic about this. I kind of hope that was the hard part. Honey!
Yeah. Oh, God, it's so bright.
Sorry.
Wow.
Guess what? I got you something.
A heart attack?
No, not yet. Close. If I could only cool off with our new AC!
Whoa! You're kidding.
This is no joke.
Oh, that's so cool.
I see what you did there.
There's tears in my eye.
Is that from the sweat?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's because I'm so hot or I'm so excited.
Okay, let's get this in
I'm
there.
also melting slightly.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot right now.
I'm trying to reply to YouTube comments and I'm like,
Okay.
oh, here, wait. Yeah. Okay.
We just hit it on the first step.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. So, can you hold it, you think?
Yeah, what do you mean? Like,
Well-
can I bring it in?
Well, sort of. I just don't
Here.
have any way to get under it. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah. If you can walk back with it.
I can.
Hold on.
You can let go, actually.
Okay. I got it.
Sure.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay.
So tall.
Oh, I just need some water first.
Just I got here. Take a drink of this. I feel like we're in a rave.
Yeah.
Shove it in there, baby.
Oh yeah. It's a slightly larger hose than I'm used to dealing with. I'm not ashamed to say it.
Still fits in the box you're putting it in.
See if that works.
Ooh. Ah.
Hit power.
Ooh. It's ready? That's all? 72. I haven't seen that temperature since winter. Not even joking. Ooh. It feels so good.
My job here is done. See you tomorrow. That's the boat life. For the record, I'm not leaving like this. That was just so we could get it turned on. Probably tomorrow you'll see that we're gonna modify something, a hatch or a thing. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. You got ideas? Leave them in the comments below. You got criticism? Fuck off. Oh, I mean, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.